I don't get like 2K dollars, I'm gonna start the bomb anyhow.
Ah, my wonderful children.
Good afternoon, sir.
My precious children. You are the future of this nation. Brilliant minds,
No, this man
scholars in the making, the pride of Wahala Junior High. I was just telling the board chairman about how this class is disciplined, intelligent, focused, and so respectful. Look at you all, sitting like senators. This is the kind of class I want to use as an example in the school magazine. If every class was like you, I would have retired in joy. You are all stars, leaders of tomorrow, champions of discipline. You make this school proud. Who raised you people? I want to go shake their hands. You are the best class in this whole school.
Thank you very much, sir. I don't know how much this thing means to us. We are really happy.
Excuse me, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Please, this is the wrong class. You're supposed to go to the next class. This class, they are the most stupid set of students you have ever get for the past 6 years.
Oh, really?
In fact, this class, you are supposed to tie them today and punish them.
Oh, really sorry, class. Don't worry. I will be back. We have some special for you.
Yes, students, we'll be back very soon.
That's what I do for you.
Special things for you guys.
Don't go anywhere, please. I'll be back.
Hello class, today we are going to learn CRS and today we are going to learn about God.
Wow, interesting.
So nobody knows tomorrow except one person. Who is that?
Sir, me, I know the answer.
Okay, what's the answer? Who knows tomorrow?
Sir, me, I know tomorrow.
Are you stupid? Okay. What's tomorrow?
Tomorrow is Friday.
Get out of my class.
Come on, stop it now. Oh, really?
Hey, baby, are you going to eat now?
Oh,
Who are you
yeah,
talking
that's
to?
nice. That's
Who are you
nice.
talking to?
Babe, calm down. I'm talking to my mom.
Babe, there's somebody at the door. Babe, there's somebody
Okay,
at the door.
where do we stop? Oh, wow. That's nice. Okay, so what's going to happen here? Just expect me tomorrow by 3 p.m. I'm coming to the house, cook my favorite dish. You know what I mean? I can't wait to see you tomorrow. That your friend, you know that your friend now. That fair one. Yeah, if you guys can just come together, let's have a nice time together. Or what do you think? Yeah.
Ima, my son, how are you?
Hey, mommy, I'll call you back. Mommy, no be you are there.
Today we are going to learn about God.
Wow, interesting.
So nobody knows tomorrow except one person. Who is that?
Sir, me, I know the answer.
Okay, what's the answer? Who knows tomorrow?
Sir, me, I know tomorrow.
Are you stupid? Okay. What's tomorrow?
Tomorrow is Friday.
Get out of my class. Hello class, today we are going to learn English language. Who can spell psychology? Prince, spell psychology.
Sir, I'm sorry, I don't know how to spell psychology.
Are you stupid? Common psychology cannot spell.
Sir, calm down. We are in primary 8. English and spelling is not easy.
Osj, relax, it's not a big deal.
It's very easy. English is the most easiest language in the world.
Okay, sir, can I?
Yes.
Okay, sir, since you said English is the most easiest language, fill in the gap with yes or no.
Okay. Yes, I don't have brain. Yes, I don't have sense. Yes, no. Let's go again. No, I don't have brain. No, I don't. You will regret this.
I know.
So this is love. So this.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Babe, look at what I got for you. Happy Valentine.
Oh, for me? Wow. Thank you so much, baby. I love it. Oh my goodness. This is the best one. Thank you ever. I love it, baby. Wow. I can't believe you got this for me. Babe, can you hear me? I said it's good. What are you looking at? Babe, I'm talking to you.
Oh, yeah. I can hear you. Babe, I don't like this place anymore. Let's go somewhere else.
Why? Go where? I love this place. It's so perfect. It has very nice view and...
This place is smelling like fish. Let's just look for somewhere else and go.
Oh, Jesus.
Who is this woman?
OSJ, thank you very much. Buy biscuits and make sure you help me greet your mother, yeah?
Shoot him, rob him.
Birds flying high. You know I feel.
I did not know he's your boyfriend. Yeah. Please help. Help me, please.
You know I feel. Breathe.
OSJ, we are going to see Mama Abudu new baby. Behave yourself.
What I do now?
Mama Abudu baby doesn't have one ear.
Wow, that's terrible. So what can concern me?
The baby was born without one ear, so we are going there to greet them, and that is all. Please don't say anything about the baby's ear, please and please.
Don't worry, mommy, calm down. Don't worry, I will not say anything about the baby's ear.
Oh, Mama OSJ, thank you for coming to our house.
You are welcome to our house.
Wow, congrats on your new baby.
Mama Abdul, congrats. Can I see the baby?
Yes, OSJ, look at my baby girl, isn't she beautiful?
Yes, she's very beautiful. Maybe I'll marry her one day.
You stupid boy, very stupid. My baby will not marry someone like you.
So, Mama Abdul, how old is she?
She's just 5 days old.
Wow, that's very good. Hope your baby can see.
Yes, the baby can see. She can see very well.
Okay, that's very good. Now, just be giving her vegetable and all this good food so she will not blind in the future.
OSJ, that's enough.
Yes, please, if I may ask, why are you so interested in our daughter's sight?
Oh, because if she blind, she will not be able to wear glasses.
Mama OSJ,
no problems.
your son is very kind. He's a very nice boy.
Don't worry, we will take care of our daughters.
Because if she blind, she will not be able to wear glasses.
Hello, sweetheart. Where's my Valentine gift? No, I don't understand what you are saying. What's the meaning of that? Are you breaking up with me? Wait, are you serious? Even myself, I don't even like you. Get out. Class, today we are going to learn chemistry.
Sir, you said chemistry and you are writing Valentine on the board.
You this boy, you all done it too much. Waiting concern you. Is it your Valentine? Why you gonna invest me this morning? No, sorry, I mean this evening. No, this afternoon. So as I was saying before this boy interrupted me, Kai, you this boy self, what be your problem? You just spoil my mood this afternoon. Okay, now define Valentine, let me see.
Valentine is all about love and caring for one another.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
In fact, get out of my class. See, if I see anybody behave like this boy again in my class, I will pay that person. In fact, what is your registration number?
7010.
Oh, 7010. My brother, you will fail this subject. Let us bet. You will not be able to write WAEC in Nigeria. Even in any West African country. You will repeat this class 7 times. You, OSJ, what is Valentine?
Sir, Valentine is full of heartbreak, pain, love. They will break up with some people and they will come to the class and be writing Valentine instead of chemistry.
Are you referring to me?
No, sir. Who am I?
OSJ, you don't say you go collect today. Yes, sir, I know. Since when you received that call, I know say today no go good.
It is finished.
Class, today we are going to learn English language and our topic for today is word pronunciation and spelling.
Continue.
So, who can spell? Sir, we cannot spell anything. Sir, this is not your period. In fact, we don't have you till next week. So, what are you having now? Sir, see the timetable for that side. We are having free period for the rest of the day. Okay, let's do it this way. If you are not interested in this class, you can go home. Don't worry, I will not take attendance.
Will you keep quiet?
No, I'm serious. You can go. Please, I don't want to disturb anybody. You people can go. I'm not forcing anybody to attend this class. Let me tell you, you cannot make it in this life. Let us bet. You will fail English. In fact, you will repeat. Who knows that boy's full name?
Sir, his name is Chinedu Amadioha, ancestor.
Oh, Amadioha. You will get FZ in this subject. Jesus. Let me even call your father. Who have his father's number?
Sir, I have his father's number. 080 2050 1001. Sorry, sir, I don't have his father's number.
OSJ, this is the last time you joke with me in my class. In fact, tear a sheet of paper. We are writing tests.
No, sir, this is not your period and you want to use it to write tests. No, sir, this one will not work. Even since this time, you have not even teach us anything. No, sir, this one will not work.
OSJ, are you challenging me?
No, sir, it's not like I'm challenging you, but we cannot write tests too. I speak for the class and my decision is final. We cannot write tests. And even, sir, you have not taught us anything.
Please give me 1 minute. I will be back. And when I come back, we must write that test.
Hello, sir. Please, no dey shout for me. I go pay you. I don't like this nonsense.
Hello, my fellow classmates. This nonsense has to stop. How can a teacher come to our class and decide to give us test on notice? We will not let that test happen. Let us run come on for class.
Moku come out for class, Moku see whether na empty class now go give test. Who is with me? Okay, I am back. Everybody tear a sheet of paper. Sir, I speak for the class when I say we disagree with your decision, my lord. No, sorry, my teacher. We have decided not to write this test, and all of us, we are going to leave this class. Class, let's go.
It is finished.
Class, today we are going to learn English language, and our topic for today is noun. So who can give us an example of a noun and make a sentence with it? Sir. Yes, OSJ. Shit. OSJ, is shit a noun?
No, sir, you must be mistaken. I mean, I won't go shit.
OSJ, shit is not a proper noun,
And you did not place the sentence well.
Continue.
No, sir, I mean shit is doing me. I won't go shit. I beg, you don't reach grand, I beg.
Oh, okay, now I understand.
So how far now? Can I go?
OSJ, you must use proper English to excuse yourself. If not, you are not going anywhere.
Oh, you mean I should use good English? So I won't go shit, no be good English, ba?
Yes, and you must. Oh, you think you can run? Okay, you, write the name of noisemakers.
Yeah! 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 Oh shit! Oh shit!
Me person no shit again. OSG, surrender now. You have 2 seconds to surrender. Sir, wetin dey happen now? Do you want me to shit inside class? Me person no shit again.
OSJ, just use proper English and you are free to go. Simple.
Sami no sabi English. OSG, just try. English is not that hard. Sami no sabi English. Sir, why are you doing this to me now? This shit I go shit am o.
We shall see.
OSG, open this door. I will deal with you. Sir, with due respect, I beg, calm down. Let me shout this shot. When I finish shout this shot, then you can deal with me. Hey, Osj Alway. Hey, Jessica. Have you done the chemistry assignments? I beg, I'll come collect and copy.
Class, so in today's mathematics, we are going to learn subtraction of numbers. So 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Is that clear?
No, sir. I don't understand.
OSJ, what did you not understand?
Sir, how can 1 minus 1? Sir, please explain. I don't understand.
Okay, now listen clear. If you have 1 sweet and you give someone that sweet, how many sweets will you have?
Okay, now I understand.
Very good.
Sir, I don't understand though.
How now? How did you not understand?
Sir, who did I give the sweet?
Ah, God, wetin carry me find work come this school?
Okay, now, if you have 1 sweet and you give that sweet to Princess, how many sweets will you have?
0. Do you understand now?
Sir, I will still have 1 sweet.
How now? How?
Sir, the thing never clear for my face. Try explain it one more time.
Okay, if you have 1 sweet
and you give that sweet to Princess, how many sweets will you have left?
you will not have any sweet, so it's 0.
The answer is 0. No, sir. I will still have 1 sweet.
How? How will you have 1 sweet? How will you have 1 sweet left? You have already given that sweet to Princess. How will you have another sweet again? You have 0 sweet. You don't have any sweet again.
No, sir. I will still have 1 sweet. Hey, Jesus. Oh. I'm dead. Sir, I better more try understand ourselves. Yeah.
Okay, now tell me how you will get 1 sweet if you have already given 1 sweet to Princess.
Continue.
Sir, I cannot give Princess my sweet. I don't like that girl. Sir, please use another person to do this example. If not, I'm not going to understand.
Finish him.
Class, today we are going to learn English language.
Continue.
But OSJ is having his birthday today, so today is free. OSJ, do you have anything to say?
Thank you very much. You people surprised me. I really appreciate all the effort you put to make today a very special day for me. Especially my teacher that sacrificed his period
just to do my birthday. Thank you so much, and a special thank you to my family, my fans, and my haters. May God bless me. May God bless you, and especially my haters, my family, and my friends. Thank you very much. Wow, OSJ, that was a good speech. Okay, now let's share the cake. Sir, calm down. Don't be faster than your spirit. Yeah! Please, you people can start bringing your gift now.
Which gift?
Wait though, you people did not bring any gift for me.
How many times would they tell you?
Then why am I thanking everybody? Ha, now wow.
Which money?
Sir, with due respect, you are not serious. You mean say nothing for me. Okay, now who is going to pay for this cake?
OSJ, you don't want us to chop your cake?
Sir, I collect this cake on credit. I supposed to pay back with the money one I contribute for me.
Oh, Mumu, not too
OSJ,
much.
for the last time, are we going to eat your cake? Yes or no?
Ah, it's like you know the year word.
Yes!
I say this cake is collected on credit. And you people should please give me the money you contribute for me for my birthday, so I can go and pay for this cake.
So OSJ, we have to contribute money for you in order for us to eat your cake.
Sir, please don't quote me wrong. Did you people bring any gifts? Or do you people contribute any money for me? Yes or no?
No, we did not contribute any money for you, but...
Sir, with due respect, all of you are mad.
Class, today we will learn mathematics. You, OSJ.
Kayo, wait till I do this man. Only me need this class.
If Emeka has 20,000 naira for this Christmas and Chidima smile at him, how much will be remaining?
Which kind of question be this now? Why this man they ask me this kind of useless question? Minus 100 naira.
Why did you say minus 100 naira?
Because Emeka will be holding the bike man that took him back to his own house.
For the first time in my class, you answer my question correctly. Hey you, why are you coming to my class late?
Sir, it's because of...
Write an essay about it, not less than 200 words. Hey! You, why are you smiling in my class?
I was not...
Write a comprehensive passage about it, with the grammatical name and function of smile.
Hey!
You, why are you quiet in my class? Write a letter not less than 700 words, telling your parents why you are quiet in my class.
Continue.
You are just resuming, why?
Sir,
write a short story on how you spent your last holiday, not less than 1 million words. And you should be more than the novel Native Son. You!
I should summarize in 2 sentences, one for each, why you are my worst teacher ever.
You say what?
I should summarize in 2 sentences, one for each, why you are my...
You, name the 2 days of the week that start with letter T.
Today and tomorrow. You say what?
Go. Class, who can make a sentence with small? OSJ, you, make a sentence with small. See small nyash they shake.
Yeah!
Say what? Small nyash they shake.
May God not allow them, make them kill you.
My neck.
Class, today we will learn English language. You, any other person, Nigeria will become great one day. What kind of sentence is that?
Future impossible sentence.
Yes! The earlier we realize this, the earlier every one of you realizes, the better it will be for us. That Nigeria...
Who took my cane?
Oh, yeah.
He shot you! Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
You, OSJ, why are you coming to my class late?
Sir, I don't know if you know Mercy. She wants to wish her friend happy birthday. So, Oluwato Sidamilola, happy birthday.
I say, why are you coming to my class late?
Oh, sir, we no get water for house. So I go fetch water for where so that I make a bath. Okay, now I believe you have taken your bed. No, sir, there is no water inside the well.
Jesus!
So you never bath. Sir, I do rub and shine. I wash leg.
Oh, Mumu, not too much.
OSJ, go and sit down. Let me ask you one question that everybody fail in class. Okay, sir.
Nigeria will become great one day. What kind of sentence is that?
Sir, if I tell you, you will not believe me.
Are you mad? Answer my question.
Future impossible sentence. You say what? My leg.
Class, what is a matter?
Sir, can I go outside and peace?
If you stand up, I said what is matter?
Wait, this man teach us matter.
Yes, now, but I don't forget.
Class, for the last time, what is the matter?
Sir, can I go outside and buy pen? My pen just finished.
I swear to the principal's life. Stop.
Sir, seriously speaking, I can show you my medicine. I'm not feeling fine. I have Ebola.
Class, today we will learn social study. You, OSJ, how do we keep our classroom clean? By staying at home.
You will end up in McDonald's.
OSJ, sir, go to the principal's office. Okay, go and collect your school fees and go home. Tell him I sent you. Sir, I say what? You, why do humans have different blood groups? So that mosquitoes can enjoy different flavors. Get out of my class. You say what? My neck. Alpha Victor. Victor, wetin be number one?
Continue.
Number one na B. Na B. Adeshosi na B. Yes, na B.
Alpha John, wetin be number one?
OSJ, because I don't know book. You don't agree look my answer. No, no wahala.
Funke!
Hey, what's the matter here? What's happening? Sir, is he not ghetto Victor Wahala? He wants to copy me.
You still a lie, ba?
You say what?
You say what? Kill you there.